Imagine if you went to get a milkshake and all they had was vanilla. How boring. This is a lot like the insurance industry. No wonder it has such a bad reputation. Not everyone needs the same whole life insurance. Not everyone wants the maximum long-term disability benefit. And not everyone wants to just cover the burial cost. Stop force selling plain vanilla milkshakes to everyone. When a client reaches out to you, they may need to try some flavors first. In other words, they have questions, needs, concerns that they may want you to know first before you make a recommendation. They might have even done some research themselves before coming to you. Or they may not have a clue you serve the best milkshake in town. So listen first. Nobody cares what flavor you're drinking or which one you serve the most. Some of us don't even like milkshakes. The point is, if they feel you're pushing them into a plan that they don't want, they're not gonna take it. And if they do, they're not going to keep it. Develop a solid relationship, because when you do, they'll probably send their friends to you. Are you developing relationships? Or are you offering one-size-fits-all solutions? Comment below.